World Sanskrit Day, also known as Sanskrit Divas in Hindi, is celebrated every year on Shravan Purnima, that is the Purnima day or full moon day, the Shravan month in Hindi calendar, which is also marked as Raksha Bandhan. So, last year in the year 2020, the day was observed on 3rd of August, as it was Purnima full moon day on 3rd of August last year. But now in the year 2021, the full moon day or Shravan Purnima is held on 22nd of August. So, let's learn more about the history of World Sanskrit Day origin and all. So, the government of India decided to celebrate World Sanskrit Day in year 1969 on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan that falls on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravan. This language is known to be one of the oldest languages in the world. Also, many languages find roots in Sanskrit, including Hindi, Gujarati, and Bengali. So, what is the origin of Sanskrit language? It is known to be that Sanskrit is an old Indo-Arya language and is believed to be originated in India around 3500 years ago. There are many legends associated with the language. However, in the written form, the origin of Sanskrit language is traced back to the second millennium BCE when Rig Veda, a collection of hymns, was said to be written. Now, when we talk about the purpose of Sanskrit Day celebration, then Sanskrit language, which has the status of Dev language or goddess language, is known losing its existence. In India too, the number of people who read, write and understand it is very less. Sanskrit Day or Sanskrit Divas is celebrated to remind society of the importance and necessity of Sanskrit, so that as time progresses, people do not forget that Sanskrit is also a language. Nowadays, we have seen that so many people are showing their interest to learn foreign and other languages, but they themselves are unaware of the language from our own country, India. So, on this day, many types of programs are organized to promote the Sanskrit language and many activities are organized. How is Sanskrit Day celebrated? It is celebrated across the country in all the schools and colleges, which run from the national level to the state and district level. On this occasion, celebrations of Sanskrit Kavi Sammelan, Writers Seminar, the speech of students, and recitation competition, etc., are organized. The scholars of this language are invited, and on the day of Sanskrit Day, students get knowledge of the Vedic language. Various cultural programs, seminars, and workshops are organized on this day. Now, let's see the list of Sanskrit universities in India. So, Kameshwar Singh Darbhanga Sanskrit University, Sampurnanand University, Varanasi, Shri Jagannath Sanskrit University, Puri. Shri Lal Ahir Rashtriya Sanskrit Vidyapith of Science, New Delhi. Tirupati National Sanskrit University. Jagguru Ramanandacharya Rajasthan Sanskrit University, National Institute, New Delhi. Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Sanskrit University, Ramtarak. Karnataka Sanskrit University, Bangalore. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University, Faizabad. Sri Somnath Sanskrit University, Nagar. Kumar Bhaskar Verma Sanskrit and Archaic University. Gurukul Kang University, Haridwar. So these are the Sanskrit universities in India. So what is the present condition of Sanskrit language? There was a time when Sanskrit was the most spoken language in India. But now only 1% of Indians use the Sanskrit language in slokas and puja, etc. You might not even know that Sanskrit language is the second official language of Uttarakhand. Not only this, ancient texts, Vedas and Purans, etc. were composed in the Sanskrit language itself. The language that used to be called the mother of all languages, today that language is counted among the least spoken languages. While many languages were born from this language, and with the help of this we started learning another language, today the importance of the same language means nothing to us. So it is very sad that even I am not aware of Sanskrit language. Only learned in school during the learning of slokas and all. So now it is our responsibility to recreate and rethink about our thought pattern, that how we are negligible for our mother of all languages. So with this note, together we can change 1% of Sanskrit language to 100%. That means the whole country will talk Sanskrit language along with their own native languages. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.